Wake up, eat, game and editing, repeat. Spy Kid Gaming is a legend. Spy Kid #1.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to Spike Ed Gaming. So today we're checking out the new Big Frank, Grease, new prop feature, duplicates, and more in Brookhaven. So grab your snacks and drinks, sit back, relax, and let's get started. So yeah. So this autumn all is gonna be removed. So yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to this autumn all. Okay, so later I will show you a sneak peek if this video to 1 minute. So yeah, so yeah, so let me just check. Okay, sorry for the chat, so do not notice it because that's our friend conversation, so do it. Oh, okay, okay, point, quick. Okay, point. Oh my god, hurry. Okay, there you go. There's the sneak peek #1. So it's gonna be changing to the breeze. Okay, breeze mechanics. So it's in your screen right now. I know I can see it because I'm in the phone. Okay, I'm not. So yeah, of course I'm in the phone always. Okay, so come, come I'm here. So this animal again is gonna be removed. Okay, come here. Good boy. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, sorry. No. Yes. Oh, I'm so bad. Okay, we're gonna go here. Oh my god, who's driving that, bro? Okay, there you go. I'm so like sorry guys. Okay, this one is gonna be changing the Big Frank. Okay, he pointed. Okay, so that's the sneak peek #2. So yeah, I hope you understand that. Okay, if you don't understand, well, get out of here. Okay, sorry. So do you know in the picture this ice cream shop is upstairs here? I think gonna change it cause Sajid tell me. So yeah. We have a meeting here again. So okay, let's go point again. Okay, this is the last sneak peek. Okay, yeah. So, okay, there you go. Here's the video. So there's a duplicate one. You can duplicate that and you can customize your props. By the way, that's a new prop that is coming this Friday or Saturday, whatever. Okay, so yeah, so this is a long video, so this is a long one. Okay, how long is this video, bro? I think this is so long. I don't know if my editor is gonna be putting that, cause yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, we are done to the video. So yeah. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. So goodbye everyone. I hope you have a good day. So yeah, I hope you have a good day. So goodbye guys. Bye bye.